we are a Chinese brain. At the founders of the company, we are neurologists from German's Trias Comprehensive Stroke Center. And in 2013, we started a research line looking for new additional tools and biomarkers to improve the current standard of care in the acute ischemic stroke patient journey. So we realized that all the decision-making processes are based on clinical variables mainly, and also imaging techniques, SCD, perfusion study, MRI, but that they are assessing the cerebral blood flow, the images, but not the function of the brain. So that we move forward to look for neurophysiological biomarkers or markers that could assess the function of the brain. This was our expertise, or in my case, my expertise, since I'm a neurologist, focus in neurophysiological tests, and we scout different potential variables or biomarkers, and we select particularly this N20 because there was previous evidence from animal models and also from clinical experience regarding the correlation between this kind of signal or neurophysiological marker and the status of the cerebral blood flow. Actually, N20 can act as a surrogate of cerebral blood flow, and that's why we hypothesize that could be useful in terms to implement in the acute ischemic stroke patient journey. Actually, before Brain20, we conduct a observational study in our hospital in Barcelona, including 228 patients. It was called the Promise study that was published in the Spin Journal last year to validate the predictive ability of N20 regarding the outcome of the patient. And we realized that the capability of the biomarker to predict the likelihood of recovery was equal or higher compared to advanced imaging techniques, and at the end of the procedure, sometimes even higher than the recognition per se. So from these results, we decide to move forward and develop Brain20, a specific medical device able to implement the recording of this signal, this biomarker, in the real scenario of the acute stroke. The reason was that because there is no commercial available equipment, easy to use, portable, and with a specific software to do this task. So that we identified this unmet need from the technological point of view, and we start the process of design and development in 2020. And now and we complete this development in 2023. Brain20, it's a portable medical device. We consider that it's like a stroke electrocardiogram because it monitors this N20 signal and the brain viability in real time, as the electrocardiogram does in case of an heart infarct, let's say. It is composed by a tablet-shaped device with single-use electrodes that are placed in the head and in the breast of the patient. In summary, the results were that N20 has a sensitivity to predict a good functional outcome, understand and scoring the ranking scale from 0 to 2 of 93% before endovascular thrombectomy and 100% just at the end of the procedure when the patient is still in the angio room. I mean, it is not yet transferred to the intensive care unit of the stroke. So this is the main the first main result. The second one to highlight is that the predictive, the ability to predict a good functional outcome of N20 is higher in a subgroup of 118 patients of the study that underwent CD perfusion and MRI. And this predictive ability was higher of N20 compared with these isolated sequences coming from these advanced imaging techniques, and also adds a significant predictive value when we add the N20 to the current sequences that we use from this advanced imaging as the CORE, the sequences measuring the hypoperfusion of the tissue, and also even the status of the collateral circulation. So in summary, this would be the main results coming from the study. In the last decades, there has been a lot of hopeful advances in the field of stroke, but we think that we can even do it better. And this is the reason because we are first addressing the stroke. Our technology, Brain20, can also be useful in the management of patients once they are transferred to intensive care unit, not only for stroke, but also for supraarrhythmic hemorrhage, different kinds of coma, and also even during surgeries, treating brain vascular pathologies, aneurysms, vascular malformations, and others.